Okay, now we solve question number 10. The radius of the two circles are in the ratio 3:2. Two circles are there and the radius is given 3:8. If the difference between their area is 2695 pi centimeter square, find the area of the smaller circle. Two circles are there, one circle and the radius is given 3r, and the second circle the radius is given 8r. Means ratio is given 3:8, so we can write the ratio of smaller circle is 3r and the ratio of the radius of the larger circle is 8r. 3r and 8r. Now according to the question it is given that the difference between their area, the formula of area is pi r square. Pi r square, r is given what? 8r. So pi r square minus pi r square means small radius of small circle 3r, so pi 3r square is given, difference is given 2695. Pi 8 8 is 64, r square 3 3 is 9, r square. Now take pi common and you can cancel it. 64 minus 9r square is equal 55r square is equal to 695 divided by 55, so r square is equal 49. R is equal square root of 49 is equal 7 centimeter, means radius will be 7 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of the smaller circle. So area, formula of area pi r square. So pi, the radius of smaller circle is 3r. So pi r square, 3r square. 3 square means 9 and radius we find it 7. 7 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel. Now multiply all the three numbers, so we get 1386 centimeter square. Okay, so solve it. Okay student, now we solve question number 12. Find the area of the ring shaped region enclosed between the two concentric circles of radius 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, question number 12 means it is a ring shape. This is the inner circle and this is the outer circle, and this is the form of the ring. Now in the question it is given that the radius, this radius is 15 and suppose this radius is 20. For the outer circle means 20 centimeter and the inner radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find the area enclosed by the ring, means this area you have to find. So first we find the area of outer circle. Outer circle means pi r square. So pi r means 20 square. Pi 20 square means 400 pi. Now area of inner circle is equal pi r square, means pi r is 15 square. So pi 15 square means 225 pi. So area of this outer circle is 400 pi. Area of inner circle, that is radius is 15, is 225 pi. Now you have to find the area of the ring shaped region, means इस area को find करना है. So area is equal ring shaped 400 pi minus 225 pi. Okay, means you have to subtract both the value. So we get 175 pi. Understand? 175 pi. Now put the value of pi. So 175 into 22 upon 7. So we get 549.7. 549.7 centimeter square. Understand? So first we find the area of outer circle, then area of inner circle, then we subtract both the values, so we get the area of this inner ring shaped. So we get 549.7 centimeter square. Understand? Okay, now we solve question number 15. Question number 15 is a wheel has a diameter 84 centimeter. Find how many complete revolution must it make to cover 3.168 kilometer. Okay, wheel diameter is given 84. So first we find the circumferences of the wheel. Then we divide the total distance by this circumferences, so we get the number of revolution. So the diameter of the wheel is given 84, means radius will be 84 upon 2. So we get the radius of the wheel. Now suppose this is the wheel, and when we complete one revolution, so it cover all its surface, means it cover the circumferences, means in a one revolution it complete one circumferences. So we find the circumferences. 2 pi r, 2 into pi into r is 42. So 7 6 the 42, 6 to the 12, then multiply this. So 264 centimeter, means in a one round of the wheel it covered 264 centimeter, and total distance is given 3.168 kilometers. So first we convert it into the centimeter. So in a 1 kilometer total 1 lakh centimeter. In 1 kilometer 1 lakh centimeter are there. So we multiply by 1 lakh in 3.168. So we get this. Okay. Now we have to find the number of revolution covered by the wheel. So in a one revolution it 264 centimeter, and total is 3,16,800. So divide with the answer, so we get 1200 revolution. Okay, so first we find the circumferences, then convert it into centimeter, then divide with the answer, so we get 1200 revolution. Now question number 18 is, the minute hand of the clock is 8 centimeter long. Find the area swept in the minute hand between 8:30 am to 9:05 am. Okay, so first we find the what is the time interval. Time interval means 8:30 to 9:05 means 9.05 minus 8.30 means the time is 35 minutes. Remaining time is 35 minutes. Now area covered by 160 minute, means जो वन हैंड है वो एरिया कितना कवर करेगा, एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर, एंड द मिनट हैंड इज गिवन 8 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, मींस रेडियस विल बी 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो पाई इनटू 8 स्क्वायर मींस 64, पाई इनटू 64. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ, so we get the approximate value 201. Okay, 200.99 something आएगा, but you can take the approximate value 201 centimeter square. Now area swept in 35 minutes. This is for the 1 minute. For 35 minutes, 201 upon 60 because in a 1 minute 60 into 35 minutes. Okay, so 201 upon 60 into 35, because this is for the 1 and we have to find for the 35. So 201 into 60 into 35, so we get 117.5, yeah, 117 whole 1/2 centimeter square. Okay, now we solve question number 22. Two circles touch each other externally. The sum of their areas is 58 pi centimeter square, and the distance between their center is 10 centimeter square. Find the radius of the two circles. Two circles touch each other externally. These two circles are there and both touch externally. Suppose this is the radius r and this is the radius capital R, and the distance between the two center of their circle is given 10. So first equation will be r plus r is equal 10, because this distance is given 10. So r plus r is equal 10. Now second, the area of first circle pi r square, the area of second circle pi capital R square is equal, it is given 58 pi. Now take pi common, then pi will be cancelled. When you take pi common, then pi will be cancelled. Now the equation becomes r square plus capital R square is equal 58. Now from the equation number 1 you can find the value of small r. what will be the value of small r? Small r is equal 10 minus r. Now put the value of small r in this equation. So in place of small r, you can write 10 minus r whole square. Now a minus b whole square formula, so we get this quadratic equation, capital R square minus 10r plus 21 equals 0. When you solve this equation, so you get this equation, capital R square minus 10r plus 21 is equal 0. Then factorize this, 7 minus 3 is equal 10 and 7 3 is 21. Take r common, r minus 7. Take minus 3 common, so r minus 7 equals 0. So capital R is equal 7, capital R is equal 3. Two answers are there. Capital R, radius of this circle 7 and 3. Now put the value of capital R in the first equation. So we get two values of small r, 3 and 7. Means your answer will be 3 and 7. Two answers are there, 3 and 7. Understand? Okay, now we solve question number 24. A square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 cm. Find the area of the square. Means one square is inscribed in a circle and the radius is given 7 and 7. Okay, means the diagonal will be, this is the diagonal, this diameter is the diagonal of the square. Okay, means 7 plus 7, 40. And you know what is the diagonal of the square? That is root 2a. You can find by the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the diagonal of the square, the formula of diagonal of the square, diagonal of square is equal root 2 into a, root 2 into side. So root 2 into a is equal, that is given 7 plus 7 is equal 14. So a is equal 14 upon root 2. Now square both sides. So 14 square is equal 196 and root 2 square is equal to, now solve this. So 98. You have to find the area of the square. So this is the formula of area of square. Area of square is equal, a square is equal 98 square centimeter. Okay. In this question it is given that one square is inscribed in a circle and radius is given 7, 7 plus 7 14, means जो इसका डायमीटर होगा सर्किल का वही स्क्वायर का क्या होगा, डायगोनल होगा. एंड द डायगोनल ऑफ द स्क्वायर यू नो वेरी वेल, रूट 2 इंटू ए. ओके, अगर लर्न नहीं है तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से डायगोनल फाइंड कर सकते हो. सो रूट 2 इंटू ए इज इक्वल 14. सो ए इज इक्वल 14 अपॉन रूट 2. नाउ स्क्वायर both sides, so a square is equal 98 and a square is the formula of area of square. So your answer will be 98 square centimeter. Okay.